What if I told you the most powerful business partner you'll ever have is already on your phone? And that in the next few minutes, you'll see exactly how couples are using AI to go from exhausted and broke to building a life they actually want together. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple 30-day blueprint to launch your first income stream as a couple. Even if you're busy, not techie, and starting from zero. You know this feeling. The job eats your best hours. The commute drains what's left. You come home tired and the person you love gets your leftovers. You promise each other you'll dream again, someday. But someday keeps getting postponed by bills, burnout, and the fear of starting. Here's the truth. It's not your fault you're tired. But it is your choice whether you stay there. Because we've entered a moment where creation is easier than ever. Ideas to drafts, drafts to products, products to customers, fast. And when two people decide to move together, momentum multiplies. If your love has been living on scraps of time and energy, this isn't a lecture. It's an invitation. Some people fight the printer. Builders press generate. AI did not remove the need for hard work. It removed the gatekeepers. AI gives you speed. Ideas become drafts in minutes. Product descriptions, landing page copy, email sequences, done. AI designs for you. Design without designers. Logos, thumbnails, mock-ups, social posts. Auto-generated, ready to tweak. AI researches for you. Research on tap, niche validation, competitor scans, price points. Pulled and summarized for you. AI never sleeps. Always on assistance. Chatbots handle FAQs. Voice agents book calls. Autoresponders warm leads while you sleep. Lever 5. Reach. Global platforms mean your first buyer could be in another country by morning. You don't need to wait for permission. You need a plan you can actually finish. Every month you delay is not just lost money. It's lost confidence, lost practice, lost proof that the two of you can build something together. You don't need the perfect idea. You need a first win, small, fast, and real. Here's your first win plan. Print this in your mind. On the first week, pick a tiny market and promise. List 5 problems you already understand. Fitness, food prep, budgeting, study hacks, parenting routines. Use AI to validate who searches for this, what frustrates them. What $20, $99 solution would they buy next weekend? Write a 1-sentence promise. Then the second week, build a minimum viable offer. Choose a format you can finish fast. Checklist bundle. 1-hour mini course, meal plan, budget template. 2-page guide, 30-minute consult. Use AI to draft the outline, lessons, and sales copy. You polish the voice and story. That's your advantage. Mock it up with AI design. Create a simple landing page with checkout. Done beats perfect. On week 3, launch to 50 people. Direct message 25 friends and colleagues who fit the problem. Post 3 social teasers. Ask for beta buyers at a founder price. Offer a bonus for the first 10. Live questions and answers, extra template, private call. Goal: 5-10 paid buyers, not viral, valid. Finally, on week 4, testimonials, iteration, raise price. Record 3 short testimonials. Phone is fine. Improve the top 20%, the parts buyers loved most. Relaunch at a slightly higher price and add 1 new channel. TikTok short, Reddit value post or email mini-series. Roles that multiply. Partner A builds, drafts, product polish, delivery. Then partner B bridges, audience, outreach, direct messaging, testimonials. Swap roles weekly so both learn both. This isn't a fantasy, it's a first brick. And bricks become houses. Your first online dollar isn't just money, it's evidence. When you build together, your conversations change. You stop arguing about receipts and start planning releases. You stop counting what's missing and start stacking gains. You rediscover us, not in some distant future. But tonight, for 1 hour, at your kitchen table with laptops open and hearts aligned. I don't care how tired you felt. I care how ready you are to stop waiting. Because the door isn't locked anymore, it's open. And it has your names on it. Tonight, do this. Pick 1 problem, write 1 promise. Ask AI for 1 outline and send 1 message to 1 person who needs it. That's how families change. That's how legacies start. 1 brave step. In episode 2, you'll see why couples who create together stay together. And the daily rituals that turn side hustles into shared empires. I'm here when you're ready. Let's build your legacy together. Marcus Aurelius said, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Share, subscribe, and hit that notification for the next episode. Thanks for being here with the Stoic Quotient, where ancient strength meets modern life.